Alright, well I'm about to show y'all how to do the 2-hammer trick on these U-joints. So you take a ball peen hammer, take a real hammer. What I do is I'm going to step on it, put it right there, center of that U-joint, and hammer. What we're trying to attempt here is get that we want it to get come in a little bit so we can get that see this, but we want to get this little clip out right here. You just want to beat it in just a little bit on the head of it. Don't hit this. That way you can take this little clip out of here. Alright, show y'all what I do. Take a little thing, find the end of it. It's gonna be the key. On the end of your clip, what I do is I just take my flathead like this. Kind of bump up. You also can use a little hammer if you need to. Get that clip off. Oh. Well, there it goes into infinity. Alrighty. So next step is I'm going to put it on the vise. I'm going to hammer it. Alright, I'm going to show y'all that. Alright, I don't know if I told y'all this, but obviously there's 4 of these clips. So basically what I did, you do that for all 4 of them. You just hit it in, pop the clip out, hit it on this side, pop that clip out. Same thing. I'm not going to do it 4 different times, so I did it that first time, so you see how that works. So now we're going to hit this part, not this part, but this part of this yoke, and we're going to try to get the thing to come out. Actually, I'm going to hit it on this one first. Get this one off first. So, do oh, there she goes. She popped out. Just like so. Then you're going to do it on this side. Ooh, I think I moved y'all around, but I got her off. Big boy. So, get it off, you just push it all the way, pop it off, real easy. Then you want to clean this up, clean that up good. Alright, so that one's off. So let me show y'all what I do on the next one. Flip this thing around, and then I'm going to spin it. I'm going to show y'all. Alright, so once you spin it around and get it like this, I put the vise, and I put my little deal like this. Kind of put it resting on this. Alright, and then what you do is you just take your hammer Kind of hold your shaft up. Alright. Boom. That one's out. And we just flip her around. Do the same thing. Alright. Let's see here. Boom. Ooh, that one. Look, all those little deals fell out of it. So you know she needed to be changed. Alright. Alright, so got the old one off. Just put that right there. Put that one right there. Right there. Right there. Alright, she's off. Old one is off. So, like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up on the inside. Clean it up real good. I'm going to do this off camera. Basically, just take a rag with some spray cleaner, whatever. Clean it up. Y'all don't have to see that part. It's real easy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my little grease alamite in there. I don't know what people call them, but that's what I call them. So it's a 9mm. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna angle it. Kind of angle it like this, I guess, as much as you can. You might have to adjust it once you get it in there, but you want to put your grease elamite away from the hole. So on this one, you want to put it that way. So I'm just gonna stick this gal in here. What I do is I push it. Push that. Push that. And then you can squeeze it, or I'm going to take my little baby hammer, just kind of tap it in there, tap it in there, tap it in there, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to squeeze it down a little bit in my vise, because that seems to be a fast way to do it. I can do this without causing any problems. Alright. Alright, it's not exactly how I want it to go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, put it on the ground, and hit it. So I'll be right back. So, same concept. Put it on the ground. Put my ball peen center, tap, 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 tap. Alright, that's tapped. We want to tap it in so you can see that thing I'm talking about. That little ridge line. This one's a little bit further in, which ain't too big of a deal. Trying to get where y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you how to do this first one. Put this little clip in here. get a little soft hammer. Ooh. I really don't like these clips, by the way. I don't know if y'all could tell. Not fond of them at all. Alright. So, once you have that in, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a line right here. You want to make sure your little clip is even. Okay, that's pretty even. So there's a little ridge right here if you're doing yours, and you want to kind of make sure your clip don't hit that ridge. But that's that one. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and then I'll come back. So I got both my clips in, like I said I was. Now let's put this deal on. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just slide it on like that, and bam, she's on. Then we're gonna put our new ones in. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try squeezing her again. Oh, sorry. Move y'all. Can't really get a good bite on this. Alright, well, she's pretty much started. So, let's take her back to the ground. Alright, so we're back on the ground again. No ground and pound. So, same concept. Boom. Boom. It's probably good. She looks like she's in there pretty good. Alright. Yeah. So you just do that. See that? Put your little clip in right there. Got to slide it in from this way. And then flip it around. Pound it in. And put your clip in there again. I don't know if y'all want to see that, but I guess I could go ahead and put another clip in there for y'all if y'all really, really want me to. Alright. This one's a little tricky. A little trickier. Gonna have to do this while maintaining my sanity, which is gonna be fun. So watch. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Trust me, this is fun. Letting y'all see me. Please like this video, because this is not easy doing this while I'm holding this thing. Y'all should give me some credit. I'm trying to do this for y'all. Oh, by the way, if I can do mechanic work, y'all can too. Just to let y'all know, because you see that? That thing shoots off into infinity like Buzz Lightyear. Alright, let's see here. How can I do this? I don't want to give up. Daddy didn't raise no quitter. Alright, there's got to be another way. Alright, let's go to the vise. Alright, so we're back at the vise. Alright, so we're back at my vise. I had to set y'all up on this vise because I could not hit it and deal with it. Yeah, I wouldn't like my anger bursts. Wait, got an idea. You think I done did 8 of these things, I'd have been good at it by now. Oh. Ah, gotcha. Alright. Inspect it. Make sure it's in where it's sitting, where it's supposed to be sitting at. Alright. Let's see here. Here we are. Yep, she's sitting in the right spot. So now all we gotta do is pound this one in. So, I think y'all seen enough of me pounding on the ground. So, I think this is where we're gonna end this little how to put U-joints in your shaft video portion of the episode. Alright, well, stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff to do. That bike ain't gonna fix itself.